Ooh. What you think, Amelia? Yay! You like that music, don't you? Amelia loves music. What you think, Amelia? You like the cars? You like the music, don't you? Yeah. Ooh. Let's go this way, boys. Oh my word, we got a whole street. I mean, like, really? I don't know. Let's go see. Oh, look at this one. Look at this, Grady.
Hey, Cindy, that's the car I was talking about.
Look. Look at the crap.
Yeah, I know.
Amelia likes the music. Pretty. Silver anniversary Buick. That's a gorgeous car.
Ow.
What?
Ran over my toe.
Oh, look at that. That looks like that purple Cadillac Elvis Presley had. His is a little bit darker though, I think.
It's a little bit brighter.
Oh, that's General Lee right there. It's orange. Just needs an 01 on it. Lime green. Ooh-wee. Oh my word, it's all the way down the other side. Look at that Bronco. Wow. Awesome. What, the blue one?
I touched it too. Oh, look at that Batman over there.
What is that? What you call a Hellcat?